It looks so smooth, fam. Gonna put these on right now. You see right here, my brakes are all roasted, all scratched up from brake fade, and look what happened. I dislocated my finger. I'm gonna get one of the best brakes that you could get for these bikes. So I've been lagging to this video for a month now. I'm going to test my new Ultra Brake brakes on jumps. I haven't pushed it hard enough yet to see how the brakes perform. This is gonna be jump number 1. Some spot right here. That's a cool little rut. So let's see how it goes, fam. If you're enjoying these videos, consider subscribing. It really helps me know if I'm on the right track. And I may pop a wheelie at the end of the video. Stay tuned. Damn, the Ultra Brake brakes, and they're powerful, dog. Make me feel like I'm an Avenger, dog. Yeah, I know I'm not good. Oh, we're heading to the second spot. Oh. Yeah, I need to practice these ruts. So I'm headed to the third spot. It's pretty chill. Oh. Damn, Daniel. We're here. That wasn't a good idea, fam. Bad idea, fam. Hopefully I didn't get to do the wheelies like I said I was, but I'm gonna end the video right here. Like and subscribe. I'm out.